Hi, I'm Jeff Kashou, licensed marriage and family therapist and senior clinical product lead here at Upheal. Today, I want to give you a quick look at an exciting new feature called Compliance Checker. Because we know that staying on top of your insurance pay requirements can be a challenge, we built this right into your workflow in Upheal to make it even easier. Now, as you complete your progress notes within Upheal, the Compliance Checker will automatically flag any areas that don't meet pay requirements and even guide you on how to fix them. This helps you to avoid audit issues and ensures your notes are compliant. So let's dive in and take a look at how it works. In this note, you can see this check for compliance button. Once I have the automatic check enabled in settings, which I'll show you later, this will just give you the status of either compliant or not compliant automatically. When I click on it, it's going to open up this side panel here, which looks very similar to our external compliance checker, which can check compliance for external notes via PDF. I'm going to go ahead and click Start Compliance Checker now. And what we can see is that this node is considered not compliant against Aetna and Optum's compliance criteria. This is our primary set of criteria, and we plan on adding more as time goes on. Now, as I scroll down, I can see the entire set of criteria that was checked and the ones that I have passed and which ones I need to address. When I expand any of these, it's going to actually give me the specific context from my note on how it was considered to be passed. I'm going to go ahead and come on down to one that needs attention, this client name and date of birth, and it'll tell me that the date of birth is missing for this client. And you can see that it's going to give me the option to update the date of birth right here. So let's go ahead and give this client a date of birth and update it. And then I can actually mark this as resolved, and it's going to now mark it as compliant. And if I were to run the compliance check again, it'll look for that and just validate that that's correct. Now, when I come to my practice settings, you're going to see a new section called Compliance Checker. This is going to give you the ability to turn on the compliance checker automatically. So anytime a note is generated in our system, it'll run the compliance check for you. When you turn it on, it's going to give you the ability to set a delay. This will give you some time to make any edits that you might typically make, whether it's to the administrative portion of your note that we check, which are like start and end time of sessions or the content of the note itself. So I can set a specific delay to up to an hour from there. Now, let's say I prefer to see my non-compliant notes at a specific time of day, and I just want to pay attention to those. So I can go to notification settings and actually turn on the option to get a summary email every day of the notes that are considered non-compliant. And when I get that email, it'll tell me which ones and then be able to take me to each one of those notes one at a time. And I can set a specific delivery time that works for my preferences. So that's our new compliance checker built right into your Uphill workflow. We hope this continues to save you time, makes your notes even higher quality, and that you just enjoy using it. Please let us know what you think. Thanks.